Today, we'll talk about the benefits of moving from CATIA V5 to 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA. Let's have a look at your questions. Of course you do. First of all, 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA is very easy to learn. Secondly, you can read data from V5, put it in 3DEXPERIENCE. Thirdly, you can output the data in any format to exchange with your supplier or your customers. Don't wait, go now. Yes, there are a lot of differences. You have extra capability that are coming directly from 3DEXPERIENCE. So not only, again, you will day one be able to do everything you want with 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA, but you will make it much more faster. So the gain is there. Go ahead. Just a couple of hours, okay? Your expert CATIA V5 designers will learn the system very quickly, and your rookie guy will also learn the system very quickly, maybe even faster. Day one, they will be as productive as what they were by using CATIA V5. Your pictures are on the cloud, right? Your music is on the cloud, right? You should use 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA on the cloud. It's very secure. You can get access to 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA from everywhere, from any device, even from your smartphone. It's the best solution for you to be more efficient.